When the year comes to a close, we'd always look back and think, how was this year? Did I do better than the last? What have I achieved? Looking at my kids and my husband Mike, I know this year has been blessed. This year is worth remembering. And having realized that, I am decided to spread the joy with other people. Join me today as I put out my heart into a dish for my family, a dish that I wish to share with yours too. Hawaiian-style pasta that is everyday easy. So, di ba, babe, what do you think of this year? Don't you think that we are very blessed? Anong masasabi mo naman?
Oo, sobrang blessed tayo. Aside from yung kinasal tayo, may baby na tayo on the way.
Well, you know what? Kayo naman talaga ng kids ang inspiration ko when it comes to the kitchen. Pero babe, for now, panoorin mo akong magluto para naman matuto ka rin, and this recipe is something that you could do for us also.
Sige, let's
try
it. Sige.
Ayan, ito ang ating Hawaiian-style pasta. Let's do this. So, let's just heat up our pan first. Ito na ating oil. Ayan. So, lagay lang natin yung ating salami.
Tulungan kita dyan.
Wow.
Paano
First time to, ha?
Paano ba ito?
Sige, lagay mo lang lahat yan.
Lahat?
Yes, yung ating salami.
Okay.
So, kung wala kayong salami at home, pwede rin kayong gumamit ng cooked ham or sweet ham. And if you want naman a healthier version, you could also use tuna in brine. Sige, lagay naman natin yung ating bell pepper. Sige,
tapos,
add the pineapple. Add it all.
Lahat?
Yes. So, ating fresh pineapples and bell peppers are a good source of immune-supportive vitamin C. Okay, now we add in our tomato sauce. So, mix ka lang dyan.
Mix lang. Okay.
Mix lang. And let me just add a little bit of soy sauce to balance the flavor. Kasi meron tayong sweet flavor from our pineapples. We have the tangy flavor from our tomato sauce. And now yung medyo maalat from the soy sauce. Let's add a little bit of sugar.
Madali lang pala ito, ano?
Madali lang talaga. Tamo, kayang-kaya mo nga.
Oo nga.
Ayan, para mas maging masarap ang ating dish, lagyan na natin ng ating Aji Ginisa Flavor Seasoning Mix. Talaga namang pampasarap ng mga pagkain natin. And Aji Ginisa is made meatier with a well-balanced taste of garlic and onions. So, lagyan na natin. Of course, now, PC homemakers can now ensure the gisa flavor in their everyday cooking with the new meatier and well-balanced Aji Ginisa. At ngayon, naging mas affordable na ating Aji Ginisa. Yung kanyang 7-gram pack is only 2 pesos. Let me just chop our roasted peanuts. Next time, ikaw na lang yan. Wala nang kwento.
Sige na nga. Turo mo rin sa mga bata para sila rin.
Para pag napagod ka, sila naman.
Pwede.
So, I have here pre-cooked spaghetti. Tutos lang natin dyan. Since this is cooked already, we don't want to overcook our pasta, di ba? So, just toss it. At least ngayon, may natutunan ka ng dish for the first time in your life. Kasi yung alam mo lang lutuin...
Fried egg.
Fried egg.
Hard-boiled egg.
Ayan. Fried egg, hard-boiled egg. So, ready na tayo mag-plate. Ayan. Dali na natin dito and let's start plating.
Okay. Nagugutom na ako,
Ayan na. Teka lang, babe. Baba
Totoo ba to?
Totoo to. Nakita niyo ba?
Minsan-minsan lang.
Kasi magbabagong
taon.
Yes, kasi magbabagong taon
Grabe,
na. Magbabagong buhay na rin daw siya.
Ikaw napapalit kay Mami, no?
Pag tinatamad ako, kayo na lang.
Sabi nga niya kanina, sabi ko, o yan, tinuro ko na sa'yo. Sabi niya, ituro ko din daw sa inyo.
Ay.
Para pag halimbawa, pagod naman siya.
Marami na kaming alam ba?
What?
Pero hindi kami magiging kasing galing mo magluto eh.
May ganun talaga, Kyle. Let's just grate some cheese. Sige, ayan. More pa daw.
More
Wala.
cheese.
Grabe naman.
Ito naman, yan lang ang ginawa mo eh. Para
Sige na.
teamwork to. Para mas enjoy nyo pagkakainin na.
Cheese makes everything better.
O, ate, ito naman. Lagyan mo na ng parsley at
Where do I
saka
put
ng
this?
peanuts. Ayan,
Okay.
yung ating... And then, let's put some bread. Sino may gustong bread?
Yan. Gusto ng bread.
Siyempre.
Pwede bang kainin na yan?
Gutom na ba kayo? Gutom na? Ano, baby ko, ready ka nang tikman yung iyong first masterpiece ever?
Siyempre.
Sige, let's go. Punta na tayo sa dining. Kain na. Enjoy! Tito Mike nyo nagluto nito. First time. First time, baka probably the last na rin. Hopefully not.
Surprisingly tastes good.
This has been a year full of blessings for me and my family. Now, I promise to give back by letting other families feel the warmth of the season all year round with special dishes that are everyday easy.